Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I will tell you about external authentication services. It provides you to log in through other websites, social or other, as well as Facebook, Google, Twitter, etc. It provides you developers ease by reducing development time. Here the diagram shows a web application and external authentication services. It user request authentication services. It provides a token back which sent to the web application, and web application send a response back to the user agent. While considering authorization, it is a library that provides you facility to connect with the external websites for login purposes. Here the diagram is same as above, but with the OAuth authorization code grant. It works as the same and it requests more data for you. Here we will create a sample web application, ASP.NET web application. For this you can use .NET Framework 4.5 or more. If you use Framework 4.5 you will have some additional files too, but if you use 4.0 you cannot consider that. Make a single page application. It gives you the code like this. In this we have a start auth.cs. It contains the files due to the framework 4.4. Here is the code that we use. It provides us the facility to interact with the other services. It is the code to interact with the social websites, like it is the code for Microsoft. It is the code for using Twitter, it's for Facebook, it's for Google authentication. Here while we render a view in browser, it shows a view like this, in which we can log in through other services, register, etc. While enabling Facebook authentication services, we navigate to the developers.facebook.com apps and log in by entering Facebook credentials. Here we register as a developer. From the different directions we have different categories: apps, products, documents. We create a new app, register and create a new app. Here is the display name, that is the name of our app. Here is the namespace, that's the that will be the use in browser. After creating application, it will set the developers options. It will send us app ID and app secret that we will use in our code for authentication purposes. After this we will be adding platform. As we are interested in web applications, we will use websites. It's the site URL, that is the address of your website. Here we are using local host, so we are using the local host here. It will create your app and you will get app ID and app results, etc. Here is the Facebook authentication. We will add app ID and app secret here. It will send us the ID secret. We will redirect it to this page. After entering credentials, we will be directed to our if we haven't registered yet, we will sign up and we will be redirected to our index or main page. It shows our login access. Here we will be enabling Google authentication. It will be the same process with a little bit different things. startup.auth.cs file will contain this changing. We will go to the code. Here is the code for Google authentication. We will follow these simple steps. We will navigate to the Google Developer Console, enter credentials, authorize JavaScript. It will send us an client ID and client secret. It has sent us a Google Plus API. If we will send this option on, as we have set this option on, we will be able to read and write and get this configuration codes in our file. We will go to the code and place the Google authentication here in this code segment. We will get a ID icon. We will navigate through it. It will redirect us to the Google page. Here we can do everything that we like: sign up, sign in, accept, allow, disallow. After successful sign up or login, it directs to the main page. Our last point is Twitter authentication. Startup.auth.cs file. Here we have placed this code. Now we will see how we have get this code. We will go to the Twitter, authorize. It will authorize our app there. After authorization, we will associate our account with it. After successful sign up, it will get us ID and key, consumer key and consumer ID, and we will add the code above there. Hence we have get all above there.